Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are starting on our Honda Pilot. Here it is behind me. We have some frame damage here that we need to repair. I think, Nate, we'll probably go ahead and replace this entire quarter panel. What do you think?
Nah, I say we pull it out. It's savable.
I mean, if I was a PDR guy, then maybe possibly, but I'm a very much a hammer and welder guy, so I don't know about PDRing that quarter panel. It's a really nice car though. Look at this thing. I got the AC on in there because, you know, we got to cool down a little bit. Super nice car. It's gonna be perfect for my new ex-wife. See, this is a good time to have a knife. If anybody out there makes custom knives, I need a custom knife made for me with my name on it. There. Dang, it's a little worse than I thought it was, Nate.
Really? What's going on with it?
We might have to clickbait the video title. We bought a Honda Pilot, but it's way worse than it looked. Dang, the inner structure's in. Hey, man. This is going to be a very invasive repair. Hey, the gap opened up over here. Look, the gap is normal now. See, that's why I don't like wearing gloves. Look, they get caught in everything. Alright, I guess we need to start cutting stuff off of it. That's one thing you don't want to hear when there's a man standing there with a rope.
Where's he going?
what they're supposed to do.
Same. Wait. Nigga, that he ain't gonna be at church. What are you gonna do? Try to pull that out?
Well, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna try to. In winter.
What are you trying to cut out?
Well, I want to go ahead and probably remove this back wall. That way, I'm gonna have to take it off anyways.
Mm-hmm.
You know? That sucks, the drill's going out. That's what she was wanting. Оцю штучку можна просто поміняти. That's it. Just the end.
А тут що ви будете робити?
Go ahead and cut it. So we're going to make a small attempt here on this frame rail. As you guys can see, we are mangled up a bit. Hopefully this piece will pull it back out the way it is. Very nice. Heck yeah. Now all I gotta do is just drill that sucker off and straighten it out. Check it out, guys. I got the frame end straightened up. There's still a little bit of finessing that needs to happen here, but for the most part, we are good on that for now. We need to go ahead and move on to the quarter panel. And unfortunately, Mark borrowed our glass cutting tool, so we can't cut the glass out. And if we can't cut the glass out, we can't pull the quarter skin off. So that's going to have to be tomorrow. That's going to be the plan. We are going to cut the skin off tomorrow and cut this entire inner structure off right here and then start installing the new piece. So stay tuned for that video. It's going to be in the next video. I wish we could have got more done in this video, but like I said, we don't have the glass cutting tool, so I don't want to break that glass. It's actually a pretty expensive glass. And even though we do have an extra one on the other quarter panel, I don't think it's worth breaking a perfectly good glass over just one day. So we'll get that off tomorrow, and then we will be in business. We will remove the lid, we'll remove the roof rack, we'll go all the way up. We're gonna do this quarter the right way. We're gonna go all the way up. We're not gonna splice into any damaged areas. We're not gonna be cutting anything halfway. We're gonna do it all in one nice big chunk, and it's just gonna be better that way. It's gonna be better for the structure of the car, and it's gonna be easier to do all the body work on it. Before you guys head out, I want you to go check out one of my friend's channel. His name's Hayden. He's been on YouTube for a while, but he just got into rebuilding cars, and you know, I've been kind of helping him out with advice and stuff, and we're also gonna be doing some framework for him. And he made a little video about our channel on his channel. So go check it out. Tell me what you guys think. Show him some love on his channel. Hit that subscribe button. Maybe drop some comments on there. And check out his sweet little rebuild that he is working on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.